So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back everyone to this channel. In today's video, we gonna see about how to create your SMMA presentation for meeting. And the main component for this presentation is that this presentation should good look and easy to use. So I created my presentation that is for fitness niche, and the main component for the meeting is that you should dress well and make sure that your clients are thinking that you are a professional. So you need to develop your communication skills and look presentable. So basically there are three stages in client meeting, that are discovery stage, explaining stage, and closing stage. In discovery stage you need to discover the client's business models, like how much revenue they make in 1 month, like that. So and in explaining stage you need to explain your services like this presentation. And the closing stage you need to close the deal. That's it. There are three stages in closing a client. So in today's video we gonna see only explaining stage. So without wasting anyone's time, let's get into the topic. So gentlemen, this is for my agency, that is Kalash agency, and I by Shakti Kailash, that is my name. You can create this by your own on PowerPoint. They also give by templates like this. So first we move on, we can see overview. So everyone should do the overview for simplify this. First, who am I and the mission, how it's work, the offer. You can create this type of symbols on a website called Flatcoin. I will drop the link in the description. So this is the overview, and then first we gonna tell about who am I. So like this, I am a social media marketer based on Pondicherry town. I am in India, specifically in Pondicherry. So I just put my town. You can put your own town like that. So I will work with the fitness niche. I already told that I created this for fitness niche. So that's why we will make to think that client that we are a profession, that their business is very desirable, like that. So the mastering the most all my effect. So all my effect that they will thinking that he will do for we only. So make sure that they are thinking that you are in profession. I specialize in one particular, channeling local demand into your business by running Facebook ad campaign and converting leads into appointment in your calendar. Basically, I provide services that is lead generation. So I only run ads on Facebook only. So that's why I put this. And then is honesty. Honesty business is the best business. We just use our psychology to manipulate the clients. Like being transparent with you is so important to us. So unlike most agency, I am open in saying I am in my infancy. So if you are said like this, they will think that he is a transparent boy. So he will tell everything about that. So they think like that. So but as beginning a new agency benefits you, it means I will focus all my efforts on one client. I hope that will be you. So we use reverse psychology. So if you sign with me, you will see that I work 4 hours to make sure that I bring new clients to your business. You are our complete focus and priority. We promise quality over quantity. So you can see that if you are making, you have to highlight this, like quality over quantity, like that. So you can create this on Flatcoin, I already told. And then we move to the mission. So basically every percentage should contain this, that is the mission and the vision. So I want to help the fitness machine acquire more high quality leads that will generate more massive revenues growth over time. So uh, we, we tell about that our mission is to provide services like not profit motive, that is like not profit motive like corporate business. We have to provide services like public services like that, but we have we have also to make profit on that. So all done under your brand without wasting anyone times and money. So this is clients to money. So the framework, you can put your own agency name. So optimized ads. In optimized ads, we provide the services, the ad offer, the target audience. So optimize ads is like we tell in that ad that what type of services that the business provide to the client, and the ad offer is like 50% offer for 20 days, 70% offer like 25 days free trial like that. And we we provide your target audience like that. And follow up, automated personalized. So follow up means that if the clients just put their phone name, email address on the lead, so we will automatically call them and message them like that. And it's not done by any robot, AI like that. It's all personalized, like I only do that. And new strategy, retention system means we like we provide services to that client and make sure that I bring clients to them. That is retention system. And review system, you all know about Google SEO, that me and my friends everyone review that business. So that's if someone is searching for any fitness gym in that area, so it will bring, so Google SEO will bring that on the top. So that is innovation, become the best, keep clients and spend less. This is the color framework. And then we move to optimized ads. So we saw that optimized ads, so it's include advertising the services you provide. So we advertise the services that they provide and establish a special offer that will set you apart from other business and make services irresistible. So we will provide so many services. Even if they do not give any offer, I can create my own offer, like the Amazon doing. Like they created the MRP of 1500 like that, and they their prices like 1000 like that. How we will loop in your target audience. So the ad headline is look like this. This is for example only, so you can create by your own. So next is optimized advertising. Like for your advertisement, I will use different creativities and see which work best in your local area. I will create more ads, like if one ad is containing more type of sub ads like that. And I liver security to create urgency for customers to book appointments with you by create limited time offers. Like limited time offer is like 28 days offer limited for 100 people like that. So we have to create that because that's only urgent that the customers to book the appointments. So I will update and adopt the advertisement every week based on the result. So this is optimized advertising. And then overview. So this is for the simplifying the how it's working. Like so we create the ad and it's skyrocketing, so we capture more leads and then we call them to book the appointments. So the appointments will notify to the business owner. So if the appointments are booked, they will go to the business area, and then they will close the deal. That's it. That's the overview. And then this is a innovative. This is like a reverse psychology. Like, you shouldn't work with us, so you don't want to massively increase your revenue over time. You don't want to become the best fitness gym in the town. You somehow think there is still a risk, even though you are free of charge until I deliver. You think that this is going to be easy and instant, and that you are not going to have to work and adjust to improve your business like that. If they shouldn't work with us, this gonna happen. And if they work with us, you are ready to excited to take on more customers. You trust this process and you have faith in it performing for your business. You understand that I eliminate risk in order to help you to take action. You want to simplify, increase your revenue over time. You want more time to focus on your business and family. This is like a reverse psychology. And then uh, why you should work with us. So you can create by your own also, but uh, I recommend you to do like this. Like, it's important to establish that this customer will stay with you for months to come. Yet I don't ask for any commission. We not only promise clients but also future relationship with you. So my job is just to bring them through your doors. You are the one who will persuade them to keep coming through it with your excellent services. Just think about it. Even you have to highlight like this all. So even if we got you one client and they stayed for years to come, you would still get your return on investment, but I will got you more like that. So let me put it this way. Best case, we got more appointments set and money start flowing in. Worst case, you tell me I suck, you don't pay for me, and you still get a team of social media marketers working 7 hours a day. Both options are leaks free, or for both for our safety. So this is like a reverse psychology. So I use it reverse psychology on many areas. So you need to put the budget on the loss like this. Like, I will provide two services, that is social media marketing and social media management. Like, inner services charge plus ad spend for lead, and inner services for charge plus ad spend for appointments. You can create this low and this high. Like, in leads we can provide the customers email id, phone numbers, name, like that. They have to call them and book the appointments. In the appointments, we call the customers by our own, and they have only to close the deal. That's it. That's for lead. You can create like this for $1,000, $500 like that. In the social media management is nothing but you create daily posts on Facebook and Instagram for your clients like that. So i I just 5 days for 50 rupees like that. So that's it. And then thank you. I wish you will work with us. So I think you will understand this. And if you are created your own like this, it is easy for your client to understand your services. So I recommend to do like this. So I hope you will create your own presentation, and I meet you on another video.